In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to capture leads with a Pipedrive form in 3 minutes. If you want a fast, reliable way to turn website visitors into leads that appear directly in your Pipedrive workspace, this walkthrough will get you there. We'll start right from the Pipedrive dashboard. First, open the left-hand sidebar and click Leads. This section is your home base for new prospects before they become full deals, and it's exactly where your web forms will feed new submissions. Inside the Leads area, look to the left pane and click Web Forms. Web forms in Pipedrive are simple, hosted pages you can share anywhere. They collect contact information and automatically create a new lead with the data mapped to your fields, so nothing gets lost in manual entry. If you see a welcome screen, click Continue to Web Forms to get started. That opens the form builder. Here, you'll choose the web form type that best fits your goal. Think of options like a general lead capture or a contact inquiry. Pick the one that matches your use case, and then click Create Form. This takes you straight into the editor. In the form editor, customize your title and a short description so people know exactly what they're signing up for. Add or adjust fields such as name, email, phone, or company, and make key fields required to ensure you capture the essentials. Keep the form short to boost completion rates, and consider adding a simple consent checkbox if you need permission to follow up. You can reorder fields for a cleaner flow and align them with the information your sales team needs at first touch. Use clear labels and helpful placeholder text to reduce confusion and typos. When you like how it looks, click Save and give your form a clear, memorable name. Good naming makes it easier to manage multiple forms later and understand where each lead originated. Now you're ready to share. Pipedrive provides a link you can post on your website, share in social channels, or include in emails. You can also place it behind a button on your site to keep the experience on brand. From this point on, anyone who fills out the form will automatically appear as a new lead in your Pipedrive Leads inbox, complete with the submitted details. No copy-pasting required. That's all it takes. You've created, saved, and shared a Pipedrive web form that captures leads for you around the clock. Thanks for watching, and enjoy the extra time you'll save while your pipeline fills itself.